Children, I am going to start the new topic of the chapter Changing Trends and Career in Physical Education. Today's topic is career options in physical education. What is the topic of the day? The topic of the day is career options in the field of physical education. Career in the field of physical education in earlier days were centered only on teaching and coaching. Children, when we will study about the ancient history of the physical education, we will get only the two fields, teaching and coaching. Due to growing activities and specialization in the field of physical education, the options for employment of trained personnel in this field have also increased, with teaching and coaching remaining the main career options in the field of physical education. Also have entered in the field of fitness and wellness, and in the present time have increased the demand of fitness and wellness. Everyone want to good fitness, good health, and it is possible only through the physical activity. Physical education is an interesting and challenging subject. Physical education is an interesting and challenging subject. With the ever increasing popularity of leisure and recreation in society, present time have increases the demand of the health and physical education. A lot of challenges in this subject, with the full of the careers. There are many careers options are available in the field of physical education as. First of all, I will discuss about the great demanding career in the field of physical education is teaching. Which career? Teaching. Present time in the field of physical education have increased the demand of trained physical education teacher. When you will study about the physical education, in the earlier days, we get the PT teacher, physical trainer. They come from the ex-army, retired army person. But present time have increased the demand of the trained physical education teacher. From monetary point of view, monetary means money. Monetary point of view, these jobs are attractive as the salaries offered for such jobs in these days from first of all, I will discuss about the teaching job in this field. Started from the primary education. Primary teacher is primary teacher. Present ruling government have declared an new education policy 2020. Physical education is a compulsory subject. Who will teach this subject? Only by the trained teacher. In the coming days, you will get the good demand of the teacher in primary school. Middle school, those children are studying in the class 6 to 8, known by the middle. Secondary, just you have come in the senior secondary. You are the start of senior secondary. From the 10th, known by the secondary education. Senior secondary, 11th and 12th. Then teachers are the higher education. You have get here the 5 type of the teachers. In the coming days, that the government will start to appointment of these teachers. The government will face a lot of problem due to the less number of the trained teachers in the India. You have wrote in this job with a good monetary offered, monetary gain. Everyone want to the good amount with the respectful job. But I will discuss about the qualification for this job in a next video with the salary. But I will discuss of the primary teacher. Today, that teacher will get the job in the primary education. Will get the salary approximately 5,000 per month. Everyone want to money, and I am going to discussing about the last category of the teacher, the higher education. Higher education, today is the first day after appointment will get the 1 lakh rupees per month. You will like this education is very cheapest. The next most demanding career in this field is the coaching. Which career? Coaching. In addition to the basic qualification of the physical education teacher, some teacher buy obtaining special training in bracket coaching. In the different games like football, basketball, cricket, hockey, gymnastic, athletics, खो-खो, कबड्डी, स्विमिंग, जूडो, रेसलिंग, etc. can get jobs of coaches after 6 months or the 1 year regular coachings. Such specialist can be appointed in schools. You are the student of public school. When you will get the admission and you will reach in the metro city, there you will get the coaches of the different games. Colleges in the government sector as well as private sector with the good monetary gain, with the good amount of the salary according to their knowledge. In India, earlier only one is coaching college in the Patiala, NSNIS. Only one sports college, coaching college, sports coaching college NSNIS. The certificate or the degree of the coaches known by the NIS. College of the NIS of the Patiala known by Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports. But in this day have increased the number of the coaching colleges. Detail about the coaching colleges I will discuss in the next question, and you will get in the next video. Fitness trainer. Next, what is the next job? Fitness trainer. Lot of avenues for career can be exposed in health clubs. exposed in health club. Fitness center. Corporate fitness centers. Corporate fitness centers. Personal trainer. Injury rehabilitation. Center. What is the rehabilitation center? What is rehabilitation? When you got the injury, you take the rest. Why? To be cured from that injury. And you take the duration to cured injury known by the rehabilitation. In this day have increases the demand of the health club. Everyone want to health, and in these days due to the COVID-19, everyone want to good health. And how you will get the good health? Through the good fitness. How you will get the fitness? Till you will not do physical activities. In fitness center and health club, you get the different type of the machines, different type of the trainers. They teach to the different type of the exercises for the development of fitness. In the corporate center, mostly you belonging from the Renukut, and you will get in the such type of the facility in the Hindalco. Hindalco is a international corporate sector, and Aditya Birla Group also provide the facility for the employees children for the health and fitness. Personal trainer, in these days have increased the demand of the personal trainer. Especially you will get the businessmen. They did not get the proper time, so they have appointed the personal trainer. In the film industries, their fitness is very important. To make the slim and trim fitness, they have kept the personal trainer. Also, the professional players of the different countries have consult to personal trainer for his or her fitness. And injury rehabilitation center, there we get the facility of the treatment, and we take the rest for the development of health and fitness. The field of sports has transformed in the huge business houses. In this modern world has increased the demand of the sports trainer. Okay, the next career of the health and fitness is sports administrator and sports officers. You want to be officer? Why not in the field of sports? Some job opportunities in the field of physical education are concerned mainly with the planning and administration. In the field of physical education are concerned mainly with planning and administration of physical education activities. Physical education activities. And sports. A good sports person is a good leader. A good sports person is a good leader. Sports person is a good leader and a good organizer. And this helps him to act as a good administrator. Such types of the career options are available in many states, universities and the district level. As administrative post of the sports officers. In India also you will get in each district a sports officers. In the private sector a sports officer. Universities, colleges, different sports complex in charge. Sports officers in the universities. Sports officers in the universities. District sports officer. In sports officers. In charge of sports complex. In charge of sports coaching center. In government sector as well as private sector, and they get the good amount of the salary with good health, with respect. The next career related physical education is professional sportsman. What is the next career? Is professional sportsman. A professional sportsman or athlete competes individually or as a part of team in the organized sports. He or she practices. He or she means the professional sportsman practices and trains regularly to improve his or her skills and performance. And you know better, the very few athletes very less number of the athletes actually make it to the professional level. Those who do and achieve to be a professional player of any games, first of all they get the good popularity. Everyone know about the Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, Mary Kom, Serena Williams, Williams sisters. They have got the world level respect in society with good health and wealth. You know, more number of the professional players pay per annum approximately 100 crore rupees income tax. In this category, the more number of the Indian players like the Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Saurav Ganguly, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal. We cannot count his or her popularity and their property. But be a professional sportsman is a really very tough task. But it is not impossible, it is possible due to hard work. Okay? The next profession or the career in the field of physical education is sports official. Have you listened the name? Sports official? Sports officiating is a challenging job. Sports officiating is a challenging job, but there are great rewards. Great rewards. To be a successful official, you will need mental toughness. You will need to mental toughness with good skills. Have clear who is the sports officials? Those organize the matches and they help, like the referee, umpire, linesman, scorer. Such type of the personalities known by the officials. For a cricket umpire, if you love to sports, you will have the best view of the game as an official. Example of the officials like referee, umpire, linesman, etc. In the different games like the football, kabaddi, kho, cricket, hockey, individual games like the judo, karate, boxing, athletics, gymnastics, wrestling. This is a upcoming profession with a good monetary gain. Money is very important. Without money, any person don't love to any profession. So in the modern time, money is very important for everyone. Okay? So I am going to discuss about the next career is the yoga instructor. Which career? Yoga instructor. Yoga is a great career choice as it is an ancient art and a natural way of remaining fit and healthy. Yoga is an ancient art and a natural way of remaining fit and healthy. There is a great career scope of yoga not only in India but also in abroad. After become a yoga instructor, you would usually be self-employed by running your own yoga school. For the yoga professionals, there are several job options available both in the government and private sector. Government and private sector. Private sector. You know about to the Baba Ramdev. Is a good example. That person is the richest personality of the India only through the yogic activities. Everyone know abroad Baba Ramdev is the great popular personality only through yoga, and in these days we follow his action. In the TV channels you will get in the morning time different channels call him only to teach the yogic activities, and he tells those person performing regular yogic activities become the healthy personality. You can develop your outlook, your beauty, your age also, and you can make the more money. So this job is a great job in the field of physical education. The next career of the physical education is sports doctor. Those children are studying in the bio stream, you can become the sports doctor. The word of sports, highly competitive. Word of sports is highly competitive. And sports persons needs to remain at the top of their fitness at all times. This has naturally lead to the immense and critical importance and necessity of the sports medicine in the lives of sports. In present, the role of sports doctors have increases. The role of sports doctor have increases like as the sports. In this field, there are different type of the sports personality like physiotherapist, have increased the good demand after injury needs of the good physiotherapist are the after a long duration of the physical activity needs of the physiotherapist to reduce the strain in the body muscles. The most demanding doctor is known by the psychologist. In these days have increased the demand of the psychologist in the field of sports, especially at the international and national level sports competition. When you loses the match, needs of a psychologist. That person motivate you and to boost up your energy. In the day have increased the demand of nutritionist. Nutrition. That persons tell about the nutrition according to your activities have increased the demand of the such type of the professionals. Physicians, sports counselors, they are also a doctor. They counsel the professional sportsman and sportsman. Sports performance educator have great demand with the good salary. Sports performance educators have great demand with the good monetary gain, good salary. Okay, I am going to discuss about the next job of this field is the sports commentator. What is sports commentator? You know, developing a clear strong and sweet voice is also one of the important quality of a good commentator. The main function of a sports commentator is to describe the events of a sporting event live telecast. Such profession is known by the celebrity profession. Describe the events on radio and television. And a sports commentator make more money through the sports commentary, but needs of a strong, clear and sweet voice for the commentary of the live matches. In this field also have increased the demand of the sports journalist. Which demand? Sports journalist is related. Sports journalist. A job as the sports writer can be a very satisfying career option if you have the general interest in sports. Sports journalism deal with the coverage of the sports event and personality across the globe. Sports has always been an important section in the newspaper. Sports has always been an important section in the newspaper, magazines, television, and radio. As sports journalists are to verify the facts given to you and find the truth behind rumors about the players, athletes, sports commentators, sports organizations. And in this day have increased the rumors and the different players of the different games. The some other jobs in the field of the physical education. Sports good manufacturer. Those children have keep interest in the business. Those children are interested to develop the business. They can form the own business of the manufacturing of the sports goods. In India, Jalandhar is the international market of the sports. There you will get the all type of the sports equipment of the you will get the different variety of the sports equipment in Jalandhar. In the UP, Meerut is the popular for the sports goods. You cannot compare the price of the local market and the quality also. You can develop the career in the field of the sports goods supplier. Have increased the demand. Sports supplier like the sports equipment, sports dress, sports shoes, and you can make the more money. Or those children are interested to develop the own business in the local side, you can become a sports shopkeeper. The jobs are not the bad jobs. The jobs are the evergreen jobs. Of the whole time you can develop your business in the field of the sports shopkeeper or the sports supplier, sports goods supplier. And in these days have increased the demand of such type of the profession. So children, you cannot tell the in the field of the sports is the less job. No, this misconception is completely wrong. In these days have increased the demand of this sports career in the field of the physical education. Okay, that's all. Thank you.